This video is about two general education competencies that I showed my understanding for in previous assignments. The first general competency is reading fluency, which is the ability to read and understand primary and secondary sources. I showed my understanding for this general competency in an English paper where I wrote about symbolism in the novel Fahrenheit 451. The first point of reading fluency is to evaluate the explicit message of a text and its main supporting elements. How I showed symbolism in the intro paragraph was evaluating the message of the assignment and in the last sentences stating the main supporting elements. The second point of reading fluency is to explain possible implications of the text beyond its explicit message. In this paragraph, I use sources, which is an example from the book to explain in depth the text beyond illustration. As you can see the illustration in bold letters. Point 3 of reading fluency is evaluate the text for significance and relevance. In this paragraph, I use sources to show significance and have supporting information to show the relevance of stated quotes, which all support this assignment. The fourth point of reading fluency is analyze text structure or other textual features. Here are my conclusion of this assignment where I analyze the text and create discussion for further features of the topic. The second general competency I showed my understanding for is quantitative reasoning, which involves the ability to establish methods of computation and complementary technology to analyze issues and answer questions germane to the environment. I showed my understanding for this general competency in an accounting intermediate case project. Point 1 of quantitative reasoning is model relevant information into mathematical representation. The model shown here is a relevant model to represent mathematical reasoning to get your solution. Point 2 is use logic and calculations to solve problems. Here in this paragraph is logical calculations used from the relevant model to solve the problem. Third point is use quantitative information to support an argument or make an inference. This model is a quantitative information to support the argument of the case. The fourth point is analyze quantitative data to make judgment and draw conclusion. From using the quantitative information in the model, I was able to analyze the data to make calculations of a judgment which drew a conclusion of this case. Point 5. Use computing technology to solve problem efficiently and effectively. I use computing technology to come up with calculations which are stated in the case that solve the problems of the case. I received a solution which were effectively and efficiently. This was my second video of the understanding of 2 points of general competencies. Thank you.